Welcome to my city now, we getting money now. Went from selling krill, switch up the hustle up. Man, bands will make a dance, I'm in the loop, made it out the pen. Stack chips, about to get this paper. Catch me in the skyscraper, I'm getting money, going global. I thought I told you, big dog status, BX Dawn status. Coming through, pushing the whip on, the big dawn. Got the wrist on bling blow, hood legend, Mike Vic 7. Peace to the guards, the bartenders. We on a pull a ball, we up in the club, doing the two-step. Sipping on that Douce, what you say? I'm about to get this money, spit on the beat like Humpty Dumpty. Assassin like Michael Myers, Friday the 13th, I'ma play Jason. We bouncing on the beat, NAK the label. Got on the iced out Jesus, you hear that bass line coming through. Puerto Rican Day Parade, we on live. NYC, home of the brave. Stack cheddar, mo better. Lyrically, I get it in. The East Coast, Sugar Hill, Not from Brownsville, but never ran and never will. I'm on the rise to rich and still tack cheddar, mo better. Flow hot like lava, Bahama Island on a Learjet. Flying cross state to state, performing live, sold out arenas. Glad to meet ya, BX Star Dawn status. Made it out the pen, and all I'm trying to do is win, win, win. Summer 16 is lit, yeah, let's go. We getting money, going global, live life to the fullest. Getting money, adapt to it. Puerto Rock, NYC, way I was raised. Molded into the man I am today. Make music to unwind. Made it out of struggles in life, but still I rise. BX Trigger, entrepreneur. Check the logo. Getting money, going global. It's official. Let's get it, man. You gotta get it, man. You gotta get it for those that didn't make it, man. Hex City, welcome to my city. No pity. We're trying to be on top till infinity. Bad boy like P. Diddy. Getting money, yeah. Live life to the fullest. I'm on the block, posted up. Ain't shit changed with the numbers on the range. Holla, yeah, I'm coming through. BX Star Dawn status. Cash me lamping in the palace. Yeah, yeah.